Hello, this is Sencha with Vumber.com, and today I'm going to explain how you can enable the voicemail transcription feature through your Vumber app. Voicemail transcriptions are a very useful feature for those who need to read their messages quickly without listening to the audio. This feature converts your voicemail messages into text that can then be easily read on your device. Start off by opening up the Vumber app on your device. Next, tap the hamburger menu in the top left. Once you see the pop-out menu, select My Numbers from the list. From here, locate the number you want to turn on voicemail transcriptions for and hit Configure next to it. From the different options, choose Voicemail. When in your voicemail settings, tap Other Settings to open the drop-down menu. You will then see the Transcribe Voicemail option at the bottom. Tap this to enable this feature. And that's it. All of your voicemails will now be transcribed for this number. If you have any questions or need further assistance, please contact us at support@vumber.com. Bye for now.